Hello everyone. Now we are doing sound E. When you write double E, that makes sound E. Let's make some words with it. Sleep. S L E P. So this is one button. This is another. This is digraph. Make sound E. And this is P. S L E P. Sleep. The next one is B E P. Beep. B E P. Beep. Next one is sh. This is digraph as well. E P. Sheep. When we are doing digraph sound, this is the button sound. Yeah, that's how we do the buttons. And when it's single, we are just using dot. So sh, e, p, sheep. K, e, p, keep. K, e, p, keep. The next one is meat. M, E, T, meet. This meet is when we are meeting someone. It's the same homophones we will do later on. M, E, T, meet. That's all. Thank you.